Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be creating a festive makeup look for this Diwali / Dussehra using Blue Heaven's festive makeup kit, which includes 8 products. First one is their primer, which I really love. It's my go-to. It's really good for everyday use. Next is the high coverage foundation. As the name says, it's high coverage, it's buildable, and it blends really well. Some of the high coverage foundations do not blend really well, but it does. Also, it's affordable. This kit is a beginner friendly kit. I'll link the kit in the description down below, so check the description. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe. Also, like this video and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Next is the eyeshadow palette. I hated this eyeshadow palette because the colors were not good. It has 4 colors, were not pigmented at all. Somehow I still managed to create a look. The kajal, which is again good kajal, I would say. It was pigmented and it glides really well. The mascara, which I hated because you couldn't see any difference with or without this mascara. It's better not to use this because it wasn't pigmented at all. Also, it felt heavy after usage. Next is blush, which was really nice. It was highly pigmented and the color was really nice. So I love the blush as well. Next is the lipstick, which again I love the shade. It was super pigmented and it was transfer proof and it was affordable, so I loved it. Lastly, the setting spray. It was good. I love this setting spray. I'm still using it. It is a good everyday setting spray. This is the final look. I hope you love the look. And for this kit, you should give it a try because only 2 products weren't good, other were good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you have to do. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a nice day. Also, have a happy Dussehra and happy Diwali in advance.